Hello student, welcome to my YouTube channel Solving Tech. Myself Naren Sharma. Today I am going to discuss with you about coprimes and twin prime. So coprime and twin prime are the important part of our number system. So today our discussion about coprime and twin prime also very important. So student, please give full attention about today's class. Again student, please subscribe my YouTube channel and share so that more and more students get benefited from this class. Okay, let's start today's discussion. So student, here you observe, I write a definition of coprime number. In the definition of coprime number, we get pair of numbers whose HCF is 1 is called coprime number. That means pair of number. That means we have two numbers. We have to check whether they are coprime or not. First, we find the HCF of both the numbers. If the HCF is 1, then we say our pair of number is coprime. I repeat the line again. Pair of numbers whose HCF is 1 is called coprime number. That means the given pair of number, whether they are coprime or not, what we do? First we find the HCF. HCF means highest common factor. So first we find the highest common factor of the two numbers. If the HCF is 1, then we say that our given pair number is coprime. So our definition of coprime number is pair of numbers whose HCF is 1 is called coprime number. Very simple. That means the given pair of numbers, first we find the HCF. If HCF is 1, then the given pair number is coprime. So let's give some examples to understand coprime number very easily. Suppose our given pair number is 5, 8. 5, 8. We have to check whether 5 and 8 are coprime or not. So first what we do? We need to find HCF of 5 and 8. So finding HCF, we check finding all factors of 5 and all factors of 8. First 5. 1 into 5. Then next 8. 1 into 8. 2 into 4. Then all factors of 5 are. All factors of 5 are 1 and 5. We have two factors of 5. They are 1 and 5. Then all factors of 8. All factors of 8 are. All factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4 and 8. So we find the all factors of 5 and 8. Then common factors. Common factors of 5 and 8. Common factors you observe, in 5 and 8 we have only common factor 1. So common factor of 5 and 8 is 1. Therefore HCF of 5 and 8 is 1. So we find the HCF of 5 and 8. Now, according to definition, if the pair of number whose HCF is 1, then it is called, the pair of number is called coprime. Since 5 and 8, the HCF of 5 and 8 is 1. So 5 and 8 is a coprime numbers. The pair 5 and 8 are coprime number. So finding coprime number is very simple. The given pair of number, whether it is coprime or not, simply we need to find the HCF of the given pair of numbers. If the HCF is 1, that means the given pair of number is coprime. First, we find the HCF of the given pair of numbers. If HCF is 1, that means the given pair of number is 1. And always we find the HCF by finding all factors of the pair of number. So student, you got it. I put another example to illustrate this. This time I take pair of number 21 and 22. 21 and 22. So we need to check 21 and 22 are coprime or not. So what we do first? We find all factors of 21, then we find all factors of 22, then next step is finding common factors of 21 and 22, then we find highest common factor or HCF. So let's find all factors of 21. So 21 can be write 1 into 21, 3 into 7. Similarly, 22 can write 1 into 22, 2 into 11. All factors of 21 are 1, 3, 7 and 21. We find all factors of 21. We got 1, 3, 7 and 21. You know how we find all factors of a number. Since 21, 1 into 21, 3 into 7, that is 21. That means all factors of 21 are 1, 3, 7 and 21. Similarly, 22, 1 into 22, 2 into 11. Now, what I write the all factors of 22? 1, 2, 11 and 22. All factors of 22 are 1, 2, 11 and 22. Okay. Now what we do? We find common factors. Common factors of 11 and 22. Not 11, 21 and 22. So now observe common factors. Here 1 is same, that means 1 is factor of both 21 and 22, that means 1 is common. Then there is no other common factor. That means 21 and 22 has only one common factors, it is 1. Okay. So since 21 and 22 has only one common factor, that means HCF of 21 and 22 is how much? It is 1. So now you see we find the HCF of 21 and 22. Now HCF of 21 and 22 is 1. That means 21 and 22 are coprime number. So we got it. Since HCF of 21 and 22 is 1, that means 21 and 22 is coprime number. So in this way, you can easily find out whether a given pair of number is coprime or not. So student, next our number is twin prime. So first I give the definition of twin prime numbers, then we discuss about the whose are twin prime and whose are not. Okay, now student, observe twin prime number. So definition of twin prime number can be given as consecutive pair of prime numbers having difference 2 are called twin prime number. So again observe the definition, consecutive pair of prime numbers having difference 2 are called twin prime numbers. That means in twin prime numbers, all numbers are prime first. There is no composite number here, all numbers are prime. Then the difference of the two numbers is 2. That means two conditions. One is all numbers, that means both the number must be prime. Second, their difference is 2 and they are called twin prime. Consecutive pair of prime numbers having difference 2 are called twin prime. That means both the number must be prime, first condition. Second one, the difference of the given two prime numbers is 2. Okay, so check which are twin prime, which are not. First, I write the prime numbers from 1 to 50. The prime numbers between 1 to 50. Then we check which are twin prime and which are not. Prime numbers from 1 to 50 are. So prime numbers 1 to 50 are So these are the prime numbers from 1 to 50. Here I write the prime numbers from 1 to 50. They are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47. Okay. So according to definition, consecutive pair of prime numbers having difference 2 are called twin prime. So keeping this definition in mind, we say these prime numbers which pair are twin prime or which are not. First, consecutive pair of prime numbers. Then their difference is 2. You observe 5 and 7. 5 and 7 consecutive pair of prime numbers. There is no any prime number between 5 and 7. That means 5 and 7 are consecutive pair of prime numbers. Second, find the difference between them. What is the difference? 7 minus 5? It is 2. That means 5 and 7 are the consecutive pair of prime number and their difference is 2. Hence 5 and 7, this pair of prime number is twin prime. Twin prime. Okay. Let's check another twin prime numbers. 11 and 13. You observe. This is another pair of consecutive prime numbers. 11 and 13, they are consecutive prime numbers and having difference, yes, 2. 13 minus 11, it is 2. That means 11 and 13 is also a pair of twin prime. Okay, student. Then check another pair. It is 17 and 19 also twin prime. Why? Observe, 17 and 19 are consecutive prime numbers. Their difference is 2. That means 17 and 19 is also a twin prime. Twin prime. Okay. Then another pair of another twin pair. You see this pair. This pair 29, 31. They are consecutive pairs. Again, their difference is 2. 31 minus 29, it is 2. That means this pair is also twin prime. Okay, student. The next pair you see this pair 41, 43. They are consecutive pair of prime numbers having difference 2. 43 minus 41, it is 2. That means this pair is also twin prime. So student, you got the twin prime numbers. Here first I write all the prime numbers from 1 to 50 and then select the twin prime numbers. Again student, here you see another twin prime number here. It is 3 and 5. 3 and 5 is a consecutive prime numbers and their difference 5 minus 3, it is 2. So this pair is also twin prime. Okay. So in this way we find the twin prime. So first you remember this finding twin prime conditions. The prime numbers must be consecutive pair. First one, our given pair of prime number must be consecutive pair of prime numbers, and second, their difference must be 2. Okay, so I hope you got this discussions about coprime number and twin prime numbers. So student, I hope you got the ideas of coprime number and twin prime numbers. In my next video, I definitely take another new topic about mathematics. So student, please keep watching my channels, and if you have any doubts related to today's class, please comment to me. And again student, please subscribe and share my channels so that more and more students can get benefited. So thank you for watching the today's class. Thank you.